Have you ever wondered how millions of tons of avocados are grown, harvested, and processed worldwide? From vast farms to high-tech factories, today we will explore the incredible journey of avocados and peaches, from the orchard to your table. If you love videos about agricultural technology and food production processes, hit the subscribe button now. Don't forget to like and comment to join the discussion. Avocados, the creamy, nutritious fruit loved worldwide, are not just delicious but also a superfood rich in essential nutrients. Packed with healthy monounsaturated fats, avocados help lower bad cholesterol, support heart health, and are a key ingredient in everything from guacamole to smoothies. Did you know avocados don't grow from seeds? To ensure high yield and consistent quality, farmers use a technique called grafting, combining strong rootstocks with the best avocado buds. This method guarantees productive trees that bear fruit efficiently. Once the grafted seedlings are ready, they are planted in nutrient-rich soil. An automated irrigation system helps them establish roots quickly, while a layer of straw mulch retains moisture and protects against pests. But growing perfect avocados isn't easy. Farmers must tackle challenges such as fungi, pests, and unpredictable weather conditions. Thanks to advanced agricultural technology, precision spraying ensures crops are well protected while minimizing environmental impact. After 4 to 5 years of careful nurturing, avocado trees are finally ready for harvest. Farmers must handpick each fruit with care to prevent bruising. Then thousands of tons of avocados are transported to processing plants. Avocados aren't just harvested and sold right away. They go through a strict selection process, removing any imperfect ones before being packaged and shipped worldwide. Did you know avocados aren't just for eating? In factories, they are processed into avocado oil, a valuable ingredient used in cosmetics, food, and even biofuel. Now let's shift from avocados to another delightful fruit, peaches. Packed with vitamin C and antioxidants, peaches are not just a perfect dessert, but also have numerous applications in the food industry. Unlike avocados, peaches must be picked at the perfect ripeness. Not too green, not too ripe. Once harvested, they must be quickly transported to the factory to maintain their freshness. At the factory, peaches are washed, pitted, sliced, and processed into canned peaches or delicious, refreshing peach juice loved by people worldwide. From vast farmlands to high-tech factories, the journey of avocados and peaches is truly fascinating. If you enjoyed this video, please like, comment to share your thoughts, and don't forget to subscribe so you won't miss our next exciting videos. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.